Hey beauties, I just wanted to come to you to show you this new customer that I did, how we went from that to this by blending colors. I actually had to really dig and find three different packs of colors that I put together to try to get us as close as we could to her hair, which she had been coloring herself for years and was struggling to find hair that matched. I had to take three packs of hair that had three different colors in them and blend them together to get us as close as we could. So here you see I ended up only using two and I put them together. And here is the completed sewing, not yet styled, but as you can see, the colors blended beautifully with her hair and she was happy with the results. If you would like to know more, stay tuned. Super excited to share this with you guys.